Riding tall in the saddle, head high and legs bowed, pushing 200 cattle down an old gravel road. Hey, that's a man you call Mister. He's known around these parts for chasing wild horses, breaking wild hearts. Here's hoping there'll always be a cowboy on a long distance ride under wide open sky. His hands never slip on the reins. He knows enough about cattle to know sometimes it's a battle. He never says a lot about a little pain. Here's hoping there'll always be a cowboy. He's got a pail of hot water and sleep in his eyes. There's a heifer down calving, she picked the middle of the night. Well, he works every muscle to pull the calf out alive. He sees something precious in that new mother's eyes. Here's hoping there'll always be a cowboy riding herd through the night, and come morning light, his work's just begun.